Hey loves, 𝐼𝐈𝐆𝐒. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of today's video, it is all about this unit. It was sent to me from OMGHerHair. All hair details will be down in the description box below. So if you are interested, please do check that out, okay? As always, I'd like to share with you guys the goodies that I received in my package along with the construction of this unit. And as you guys can see, we dealing with something a little bit different today, y'all, okay? It's a braided wig, okay? Braided wig, boho style braids. This is my go-to type of look when I'm going on vacation, okay? Don't play with me. I believe it is 26 inches, child. I don't know. Check the description box, okay? Double check in the description box. But with this unit, as you can see, it's a full lace 360 unit. Knots are bleached and everything. And it also comes with 2 pulley drawstrings on each side. It's like a clear plastic rubber material, very stretchy. So you just pull both sides and adjust the tightness onto your head, and baby, you are good to go, okay? Another thing I love about this unit is it has a very lovely scent. It doesn't have that typical awful scent that wigs usually, that we receive our wigs in. It smells really nice, very pleasant. So I truly appreciate that. So shout out to OMG for that, okay? So with this unit, I wanted to be extra careful because like, this is a beautiful unit. Like I didn't want to mess it up. Okay. Didn't want to mess it up. So this unit again is for the girlies that want the braided look, but don't want to spend the money and don't want to deal with the tightness of braids because we know how that goes. Okay. We know how that goes. Now, again, this is a wig. We're dealing with lace. So from afar, trust me, it looks like you got your hair braided. Okay. Because my sister saw me, she knows it's a wig, but from afar, she was like, girl, you look like you got your hair braided. But when you get closer, a little bit too close, baby, you gonna see those knots, okay? You're gonna see the little holes. You're gonna see the lace. It's material. So tell people not to look too much, okay? But with this unit, when I was cutting the lace, I had to like be careful because I do have a weird hairline, or maybe the hairline of these wigs are a bit weird, okay? My natural hairline comes like on the temples. It comes out a bit further, so it's like closer to my brows. And that's not how wigs are usually made. Like the hairline, it goes a little bit back. So I struggle with that. But the good thing is, I guess, my edges kind of give the look of like a swoop type of thing. And something I also appreciate, I love how this braided unit did not come with like baby hairs, because it's not all the time we want baby hair. Oh, the sections of this unit, I really like it. It's so neat and so realistic. Like I'm in awe. And with this unit, you do not need to wear a stocking cap underneath. I did, but once I realized like how thin this lace is and how visible the wig, the cap is, sorry, you need to take that off, because luckily how this wig is made, it gives off that natural realistic look. So you ain't got to worry too much about that, you know? So I just went ahead and applied some lace adhesive. Use whatever you have. I'm gonna use what I have because I don't wear wigs often and I spent my money on this product, so I'm gonna do what I gotta do, okay? I added some mousse onto the hair just to like on the curls to, you know, revive them and define them and all that good stuff. And honestly, you guys, girl, that is it, okay? This is perfect for vacation. So I mean, if you are interested in this unit, please do check it out. Big shout outs to OMGHerHair for sending me this unit. Again, all details will be down in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop your comments below, hit that subscribe button, and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at @TamaraRenee, TikTok at Tamara.Renee, and keep up with me on my blog at www.tamararenee.com. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.